know. That's why I'm here to find out. Someone called and told me this.
Someone
so
called
to say hello.
I call and say somebody's jumping from the building. That means I'm just saying.
Okay.
I'm calling and say somebody's jumping from the building.
Yeah.
What did that mean? Is the end that this a public? The end that this customer service
if we
here?
don't come check it out, we don't know what's
Why are
going
you
on.
checking? I mean, you can
Do you
tell
have a
I'm
driver's
not.
license for your car, sir?
For what?
Because you're in a motor vehicle and you have to have a driver's license.
Yes, I'm in a vehicle. If I'm not traveling.
Yeah.
I'm not traveling.
You're in a parking lot.
So that what did that tell you, sir?
You're in a public space, so you need to
which
have
is
your
in a public place. It doesn't mean I'm not committing crime. For what though? For what though?
Okay.
For what though? I'm sitting peacefully in my car and not committing any crime, and you calling me, and you know that I'm not screaming at nobody. And when you come here, somebody called because I'm a black man and sitting in a car peacefully having conversation, and you sitting here harassing me and telling me
that's not what happened.
That's what happened. I'm not even driving. Why you need my driver license for? Why you need my driver license? I'm in the car, so I'm not traveling. So I'm not. Did I violate any law?
How do I know that you own this car?
How do I know?
Yeah.
Go ask him if you own in that bag.
I can't.
Go ask him if they own the house. Go do that.
You can give me
Sir,
your driver's
I don't
license.
tell me what crime I commit.
Get arrested for obstruction.
Obstruction for what?
Correct.
For what?
Because you're not providing me with the information I'm asking you.
I'm not traveling, sir.
Okay.
I'm not traveling, sir.
I'm not asking if you're traveling.
Yes, I mean you to ask me
right now to give me that information.
I will give it to you, but the problem is I want to know what the proper cause for that. I want to know. Can I speak to your supervisor, please? Can you call your supervisor, sir?
No.
Can you call your supervisor, please?
No supervisor's gonna come.
Why? Why not?
Why?
Because you are.
How about you call for my supervisor and see if they'll come?
Because that's your job, and that's what's your name, sir?
Okay.
What's your name, sir?
What's your name, sir? I've asked you first.
You're public.
Remember?
But remember,
you're legally obligated to provide me with your identity.
Yes, if I commit a crime.
Yeah.
If I commit a crime.
Okay.
If I commit a crime. If I commit a crime, yes. But I'm not committing any crime. So I just want to know what's the reason for you to asking me my driver license for.
Do you have another car in this area that could just give me a hand?
I'm just sitting in the car peacefully, not committing any crime. I'm a citizen, and I've been harassed here as somebody called the police for no reason. Just sitting. I'm sitting in the parking lot. Just because I'm a black man, sitting in the parking lot. And they call the police and now harassing me. Just remember that. I'm not committing any crime. I'm sitting in my car.
Sorry, you got your license there. Oh,
but
thank you.
But you didn't ask me what is the crime that I commit.
You're not committing a crime.
So if I'm not committing crime, so why are you asking me my ID for?
The only crime that you're about to commit is obstruction.
About to commit a crime.
Right.
About to.
Right.
Yeah. About to crime.
So I'm asking for your license. I'm asking for your insurance. I'm asking for your registration because you're legally obliged to provide that to me.
Yes, I agree.
I'm in a motor vehicle here.
I'm in a motor vehicle.
If you choose not to give me those documents,
I'm not. Did I say I'm not?
Then you can get arrested for obstruction.
Obstruction. But for you, is that a misdemeanor?
The misdemeanors don't exist in Canada.
I mean,
you're speaking in American.
I know. My bad. I'm just saying this. Ask you questions, sir.
Right, and I answered your questions.
As a civilian that sitting in my car, is that a crime to sit in the car in the parking lot? So why am I specifically being targeted by myself from everybody in the parking lot here and so many vehicles?
Specifically.
I'm just saying there's so many vehicles.
You said specifically.
No, I
like
said Pacific. I said it's not my language, just to be.
Sorry, that's okay.
I just want a confirmation that there is so many vehicles here. Why am I targeted by myself as a black man sitting in the car?
I told you that somebody of the public called about you.
Saying what?
Said that you were arguing with a female in your vehicle.
Who? With who? Is anybody sitting in the vehicle?
There's not anymore. I don't see anybody.
I've been sitting here by myself the whole time. I came from the bank.
Was I here the whole time?
So if somebody's saying that somebody's jumping somewhere, if you didn't see nothing, that means anybody that around there is going to be asking question. That's what you're telling me, officer? Really? I'm not a criminal here. I'm just asking you a question, though. Like, it's just that, you see, I will provide ID, but I just want to know what's the purpose of it.
From you, then.
But what's the purpose, though?
For what?
Why am I asking specifically being targeted? You got called, okay? Why they speak to me? If I don't want to speak, what is the problem?
Well, but unfortunately, you're in a motor vehicle right now, so you have to speak to me.
But I'm not traveling.
Right. Well, how do I know if this car is not insured or registered? It can't be here. It's a public parking lot.
Yeah,
right? This isn't private lot, right?
That came from the bank.
If this car is in your driveway, that'd be fine.
No, but I know.
But you're in a public space with a motor vehicle,
yes.
which you have to have registration and you have to have insurance.
So that means
you have to provide.
I agree. Officer, you see my ID here? Do you see me no
I
say
see you
to no
holding
to you?
it, yeah.
Yeah, because I just want to know what the proper
And
code
you have an
for
Alberta
it.
ID, and you're in a car with a British Columbia license plate.
Because this plate is the rental car.
Okay,
Sir.
well, how do I know that?
Because you can see is a plate on it. Sir, come on, officer. You know that I'm not committing a crime. Yes, I will do that, officer. That's not a problem here. This is just remember that everybody share this. Gurraacha ta'uu biyyatti akkana onola biitii namaa garte. Biyya namaa jechuun akkana onola. Garte firraa loltaa garuu wanni beekuu qabdan Yeah, no, I'm just asking question, Malik Nadaba. That's the question. Motuma adi gate biyya fi loluun akkana isin ija biyya fi loluun. Biyya fi lola. Biyya fi wanna akka biyya fi takkalle nama caal takkalle hin jiru. Qofala isi waan takkan ta'u garuu an warra biyya tanaati. Warra biyya tanaati waan takkan ta'u. Garuu mirga fiiti loluun akkasila. Kaameraa irra qabda deero. No. Loltee gaafatta gudura. Calma jettee ittiin kannitu. Dalagaa itti goota. Yes. Rakkoon qaba kun. Kun rakkoon qabna deero. This is the police brutal. They're asking a black man sitting in the car, committed no crime, having conversation. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. So, this is the result of being a black man in a car. Committed no crime. اتخذني نمان جين ديرو تل جتني دسقبي ديما زمان دسقبا من هيدا سينا واللويرا كبابرا ديرو أكنوا اتخذوا ناس جرتا ديرو لول چیز زمالي Yes. Yes, somebody called racism. Yes, officer.
Okay, have a seat. I'll be right back.
Yeah, it's no problem. Eddumadan polisin. Eddumadan polisini. Eddumadan polisini. Polisi eddumadan. Polisi sedih di bawah. mana hidhaa deemu deema nageetti na baasa. Yoon mana hidhaa seene na baasa. Bakka hin taane maal deemtaa biyya keessa deemuun bakka hin taane. I don't know. I'm just sitting in the parking lot. Committed no crime. Ara dubbiin jabaatti. Seenu maal qaba re? Seenatuma ba'a. I'm not committing no crime, so it's okay. A black man sitting in the car by himself, police being called on for no reason. And now they're asking me a question in the parking lot. And now I've been investigated for no reason. No cause, just being black person. So this is my record. Committed no crime, sitting in the parking lot. No justification why they're asking me ID. Wani nama waraabaa jiru evidence dha adeero ati kuban qabdu evidence dha kun lawyer bira deema yes Marata hashisha gurguran. Kuno officer chidu.
Yeah, it'll be under 359.
Tikkeeta akka nu deemani. Share gora. Yaar kon tikkeeta argachuu waan jiraatu. Ilmaan Oromoo waan hedduutti jira kuban qabduuti. Biiti namaa biyya namaati. Biyya fiiti loluun akkanaa. Amalin Balez, one second Balez. I don't know, leave out. Lawyer caballero. Lawyer caballero. I'm just sitting in the parking lot doing nothing. Somebody called for no reason. You can't even sit in the parking lot. Mal balais ne gurracha tane. Taye gu jirange debisu. Ticket home. Everywhere, bro. Police no go yakın. I am going the software, bro. Just sitting in the car, doing nothing, not committing any crime. Sitting in my car, parking lot. There is so many cars, and I got pulled over. I'm not even driving the car. Somebody called because they felt suspicious. A black man sitting in the car having conversation by myself, and they call the police saying that I am disturbing the peace. One of my jobs is to Yes, officer. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Not bad.
Sorry, is it Duressa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Duressa. So, I'm satisfied that the call and complaint that was going on is
Actually,
taken care of and that you-
the girl that you guys talking about, I give her money.
Okay.
She was asking me money because she was a homeless lady.
Yep.
So I give her money. I give her smoke.
Okay.
I don't know why they call the police because I'm a taxpayer. I have a company. I work hard. I don't commit crime. I'm not a criminal.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
So you
But-
can appreciate that when we get a call, though, we have to check it out.
Yeah, but you don't like you can call. It doesn't mean you have the right to ask me because somebody,
Like,
anybody
just really
can call.
explain
You know
that.
what I'm saying,
so
officer?
Moving forward from that, Duressa.
Yes,
so
sir.
when I came here, because I got called here, when I show up, I see that you're not parked in a parking stall. You're
Because
parked
there was a
in two
car
stalls.
sitting. No, there was a car
Right.
sitting here
but
earlier.
Right now, there's not a car sitting
No,
here.
when I parked,
So,
I mean.
because of that, you're going to get issued a parking ticket.
Come on,
for
officer.
parking between two
Really,
stalls.
really,
Yeah.
officer?
100%.
Really?
There it is.
Because you couldn't find
So you
nothing
gotta
on me.
take care of that by May. What did I write
So
here? May
you couldn't
26th.
find nothing on me, and you come up with this
All your
bullshit.
options are on the back
Really?
side of the ticket on how to take care
Because your ego get to you, and you couldn't. Your ego get to you.
of it.
Now you give me a
Questions
ticket.
about the ticket, Duressa?
Yes, you got an ego. You couldn't find no crime on me.
I'll
Now
take
you
that
give me
as
a
no
ticket.
questions. Okay, here's your documents. You're
You
free to
couldn't
go.
find shit on me.
Okay,
You
take care.
you just waste taxpayers' money. What's your name, officer? You didn't tell me your name and your batch number, officer. Do your job, officer. Do your badge number. What's your badge number, officer? What's your badge number? I'm a taxpayer. I have the right to ask you, officer. What's your badge number, officer? You're supposed to tell me. No, you taxpayer. You're supposed to. No, you're supposed to say it loud. No, you're supposed to say it loud, officer. You're supposed to say it loud. Do your taxpayer's job, sir. Do your job. You're not doing your job, officer. You're not doing your job. You couldn't find nothing on me. Nothing on me. You are garbage. You couldn't find shit. You couldn't find shit. I'm not criminal. You know what I'm saying? Like, you couldn't find shit on me. You're black man stopping a black man for no reason. For no reason. You guys are racist. Racist. You couldn't find shit on a black man. So now keep walking. Moving. Move. Move. I told you so. Move. You fucking cowards. Move. Move. You fucking cowards. Move. You bitch ass police. Move. Keep moving. You fucking cowards. Move. Yeah, keep moving, you fucking cowards. Yeah, akkana dubbinu lal. Dhiira jechuun akkana lal. Gartee? Dhiira jechuun akkana. Muttee yaada isaanii asalaniti. You make the move, nigga. Please stop, nigga. Nigga laadi. Policy ni deemti. Policy raa sodaattanii miti. Deemaasi stop naan jaasi. Deemaasi stop. Nigga, they couldn't find shit. Together na arguu nabani together. Adeero. He sodaannu. He sodaannu. Nigga, listen, in Sudanu, Adero, Dira Dema, Kunturoka, Dem Nanuti. We have a balls, bro. You know what I'm saying? Dira Churakana police, Demazi police, that one takana Radavani, one takatiketa, Baka, bullshit. I have a lawyer for this shit. Lawyer Akabahana, Adero. One Kanagana, that don't even brother Debara, one Kanagana. Furafichan, Furafichan, name the policy, Nanazi policy, policy, Muterasari, Demazi, get out of here, police, get the fuck out of here with this bullshit. You couldn't do shit. Got it? Yeah, no more go what just. And go what, eh? Policy Ferrari, go what? Demasi, Hori policy program at him. Stop playing around, pay the ticket, nigga. One mirgita days in Barsisa, Mirgamal Baitani, the Mirgam Baitani. Mirgam Baitani is alive, Mirges in Barsisa, one mirgitate. Vitamale Mirgam Baitani is in. Demasi, policy is done 90. Policy, Demasi and 9 ready, you ticket. Nigga, listen, man. We don't care about the ticket, nigga. It's just a ticket, bro. Adero ticketa, ticket ni mali, just a ticket. Wallahi, one nakan behu. It's just a bullshit. One in his Arab save, one in his Arab save ticket nakan. Make an akane. Karshantama $50. Karshantama nakan gate. $50. Karshantama nakan. $50. $50, nigga. You're not scared of police, nigga. Police of what, nigga? We're scared of police for what, nigga? We're scared of police, nigga. Adero, wallahi, yo biya jira na karmati motum abi itanas tukke ittakhasna. Wallahi. Uno like the assholes. Officer. I have a question, man. Fucking guy, eh? You fucking officer, yeah? Fucking police, yeah? They're scared. Nifi gani egu be. Liga policy. Ira. Khunu gulama fa live khiyara gusada fa singarsiisu khiya. Gusada fa singarsiisu khiya. Live khiyara policy akata firat orkan. Ilman oromo barachu qabdan video khanara. Policy akkanuma khate sikuwan ta gorun nandesu. Behu qabdan barachu qabdan. Akkanuma khatani khanni ticket. Ne ticket. Ne suuta demasi. Suuta mal dubbanna miti. Demasi. Wallahi ninde an duga sini bujirami ayo lali bakkan abuti loli narabu an lolo kawe ka badeni sena wallahi duga sini bujir an gafa jo an rakaba je sunis adama ture adama ka jolu mawji khayt man senen tanafin biyana yorin biyana ke an senen warana khaysan senen fayan kam wallahi fayan kam marata aw warana khaysan senen Du guys in image. Motuma faranji nas me de taxi khavala. Damn, I see. Get the fuck out of here with that bullshit. Trying to fucking. Mala idare. Isini ne gujrare. Isini ne gujrare. Isini ne gujranga na ujruftani. Isini ana kajirtani if you have to mana kanat. If you sit after America kazaftani oh boy Arabiya judendan. Ana miti ka kawemele miskin jita. Way asira ke ever kawemele de me adu ever miskin jita chu rafu judendan. Ana miti ka kasi goli tu dan ana miti. If you stay sani bidena oh anata. Suuta jeri temasi. Suuta jeri nanjam. Adero parki miti awani ni tuduba devi demasi je wani na rapsevi anat bushra you know when the are ticket na kane wan de kana radabe ticket stupid na kane you know I'm going to beat that ticket demasi nazinure hiriya nanja nazinure bar hattu abar demasi e video jo like test an bar wara ka wait adero demasi warra kasinum du warra sudan sunimti motuma biyana duket khasna gide sinin jannu sin motuma adero bakadem nu qawwedu kasa demna motuma tanas sudan nu makinati ya kaysa fattashu wanganda qawwenin de makinati kasa mayun sin garsi jama am Sigal te respect police nigga fuck the police nigga nu di police samit doina police jasi police adero nu di samit doina police brother na police fuck off janna brother na police fuck off you fucking stupid police amma hana one sani daka I'm gonna go to their fucking prison. Police tabi asani deke ticket na kanin jam for no reason. The fuck racism shit. Gana lower it gore aye gana report gore gana tabajurta na matabasi fakate. Nah nigga, I don't respect the rule of the law. If I don't commit no crime, there is no rule of the law. Because the minute that you commit a crime, that's when you have a contract with the police, with the government. Unless you commit a crime, there is no contract between you and the police. Remember that always. When the minute that you commit a crime, you have a contract with the police. That means yoro ati waballe este police yoji contrata gora tejirta chus didu hindan desu. Sigalte anga crime go to the kati contrata police yoji kabdu. Sunja chuni police fuck you jechun desa saveti. Fuck the police jechun desa. Mar jannani contrata sane yoji kabdu violation and ballesini. Hangam ballesin takati ati contrata takalle sane yoji kabdu. Tanavu wan fere jechun desa wan fere sinja chun nanjari. Sigalte. So sumbehu kabda chu. So ani contrata police yoji kabadero. Ma police in contrata wala rankam na dero. Tanavu bobbe janna bobbe khara babba tutti bobbe yanis khara hi bobba salami bobbe tan khara police in suzata dero. They don't know these people, man. Adero, they can report anything that they want. One thing that I know is I know how to defend myself. Akata furrat or kan akagaritin began akagarit furrat or kubegan. Ani nama kasi sunimiti. Nama kasi sunimiti. Nama garte oh police no. Fuck the police and adero. Demasi salama. Fuck the police. Get the fuck out of here. No. Agar tani mi camera ko barabar singarsi never. Police makina ragabane demi mutter demasi. Demi fula ke yedura demi ete arabs demis. Akkana uno yechunlan. Akkana jechunlan. Mirga efi egga jechun akkana uno lan. gartee mirga fi eeggachuu jechuun akkana la firraa dhoorkuu firraa loluu gartee akkana mirga fi jechuun malee as teessaniitu mirga akkana poolisiitti kanne rabbi si haa gargaaru rabbi bara sammuu sii kanne firraa dhoorkii jee sammuu sii kanne rabbi bara malee taa'iiti na karadhuu sin hin jenne rabbi bar sammuu sii kanne sammuu gartee itti sirraa firraa itti dhoorkii firraa itti yaadii sammuu tana jee sirraa sii kanne malee taa'iiti na karadhuu sin jenne sii galtee ati taa'iiti waan juba rabbuma karadhu waan juba isin ati rabbuma karadhu achi taare rabbi karadhu abalu waa ta'e rabbi karadhu wani ta'e rabbi karadhu no rabbi khayti وانت كيو بدي خيتي اركدو سنجا خيدا لقدو سنجا سربك اول ما ليسون رخا كو كوي مالي ديبي سان خينا نون ديبو كوي مالي نفتنيا نون كبجو كوي مالي ديني خيزر ديبو كوي مالي ورمي عايز تسوندن ديسو كوي مالي دانجا خيزر نون ديسو كوي مالي دوغان غرتو كوي مالي ندوتا كوي مالي خبجان غرتو كوي مالي انغرتو كوي مالي انتا كوي مالي انخاتو كوي مالي ندوتو كوي مالي نفتنيا نو خبجو كوي مالي ديني خيس الرانديمو كوي مالي أورمي عايز تسوندن ديسو كوي مالي اسمه كم نجيا عثمان جرامي वो पुलिस इन कब दे दिया सी नरब बचते पर उस्मान पार्कला दी कैसे ताऊदिन पुलिस इन दुबारा कब दे वान हरकतन डबनी टिकेटा अकमले डाब दे जाने टिकेटा न करने वान बर्बाद रहे आकाशी जाए कभी नहीं कब्जा कभी केरो नहीं कब्जा कभी नहीं कब्जा कभी मंचा अबले एबो कौवे नहीं कब्जा मले बिलाश यो हिदा तंकिलाश दखादर बूम बिलाश केरो خي والخاس بلاش دون حرام مرو بيران باس كيلك الخاس دينا خيتي دوكاس بالسجن بلش أبي خبودا ديجا يسالو بودا بالسجن بودا إثيوبيا هنفين وأوروميا ميدونا كوي مالي باو ديفي سان خينا نون ديفو كوي مالي نفتنيا نو خبجو كوي مالي اوكي
في أورمو دامي قول الله جيرو أبولا الأورمو دا في أورمو دامي قول الله جيرو أبولا الأورمو دا في أورمو دامي قول الله جيرو أبولا نفتنيا في أورمو دا قول الله جيرو أبولا نفتنيا في أورمو دا قول الله جيرو أبولا الأورمو في أورمو دامي قول الله جيرو أبولا نفتنيا في أورمو دا قول الله جيرو أبولا
anyway Silva Bro Senegal
البرنا نتمال Mudira ka wenkaba yanaftanya hattu duanin sirakaba akara ablenkaba mudira ka wenkaba ya abiot hattu duanin sirakaba duanin sirakaba duanin sirakaba duanin sirakaba duanin sirakaba jete sani jete sani la fena ma kapsani jete sani la fena ma kapsani obole san kadani obole tin kabdani abilen sodatani jete sani la fena ma kapsani la fena ma kapsani jete sani la fena ma kapsani la fena ma kapsani jete sani la fena ma kapsani obole san kabdani obole tin kabdani abilen sodatani jete sani la fena ma kapsani la fena ma kapsani biyarra shetani wambi yabaratani astil niftani hattu dabarisini ummata kakisani takangare barani obole sajetani obole tijetani maka oromotin naduha kubatani osonanin betini dubana warantani ummata kakisani takangare barani takangare barani harkana ablenkaba mudira ka wenkaba yanaften hattu duanin sirakaba harkana ablenkaba mudira ka wenkaba yanaftanya hattu duanin sirakaba jete sani la fena ma kapsani jete sani la fena ma kapsani obole san
anyway sagal shagoye ti sirba khana khasirba jiru sagal shagoye fi epidemic mucha elamoti sagal shagoye watch out man one of the best artists coming out of Canada man sagal shagoye
What's Ethiopia? Infertile land without a Romeo. Y'all selling out to build to Kenya for small pennies. The only thing I do this for is Billy Summer. When I finally understood, it ain't the start, it's the ending. So let me start at the beginning of my journey yelling, oh up. 12 years later, back home, getting locked up. The same things I rapped about evidently got me wrapped up. But never backing down for nobody, for no damn check. Imagine me, sell myself for money when my people stress. Imagine me, impossibilities you gonna get pushed. We was talking about this 20 years ago in Border Ridge. Ever since I rocked my first stage, it was over with. Me and RP in Minnesota had it overlit. Did it for my people, never mentioned all that work we did. Riding too long for the people like a 30 clip. Me and sis cooking up them tracks, putting up my fists. A man of people followed in my steps. You gon' need a list. Scratch that. Flashback images of making hits. Without you, I'm still here. Without me, you don't exist. Inspired a generation and disappeared like a magic trick.
I think you misunderstood. bilisumaan guddifanna malee. Abbootiin keenya gabrummaan udaalanii gabrummaan udiisanii nuti ilmi isaanii lolle deebisna hundoo bilisummaani. Abbootiin keenya gabrummaan udaalanii gabrummaan udiisanii nuti ilmi isaanii lolle deebisna hundoo bilisummaani. Kairoo loltee deebisti bilisummaani. Kairoo loltee deebisti bilisummaani. Karree loltee deebisti bilisummaani. Hanga yoom teenya hanga yoom gabbara hanga yoom duuna hanga yoom hidhamna yeroo kanee nuti biyya keenyaaf lollu dhiiga lammii jigee dirreerratti ilaallu hanga yoom teenyee gabbara nuti himee ijoolleen Oromoo qeeroo lafarraa kaate arsi harargee shawaa walloo hin jenne oromummaa keenya nuno tokko taane bilisummaa jenne unoo kaane hanga yoom teenyee laallee. Abbootiin keenya gabrummaan udaalanii gabrummaan udiisanii nuti ilmi isaanii lolle deebisna hunoo bilisummaani. Abbootiin keenya gabrummaan udaalanii gabrummaan udiisanii nuti ilmi isaanii lolle deebisna hunoo bilisummaani. Kairoo loltee deebisti bilisummaani. Kairoo loltee deebisti bilisummaani. Karree loltee deebisti bilisummaani.
Anyway akkam nagaa fayyaa jennee jirra har'aan tana wanni baratan har'a kilaasiidha akkaataa mootummaa biyya jirtanitti mootummaa firaatti dhorkitan warra Ameerikaa jiraatan mootummaan tokko fayyumaa nagee AID si gaafachuu hin danda'u fayyumaa nagee si gaafachuu hin danda'u firraa dhorkuun dirqama keedee jechuudha waan gidee ati information kannite namni sun tikeeta si kenna waan adda addaa si kennanii jechuudha maaliif jennaan ati mirga kee hin beektu jechuudha kanaafuu har'aan tana barumsi har'aan tana ilmaan Oromoo baratan warri Kaanadaa jirtan Ameerikaa jirtan mirga kee akka firraa itti loltu yoo mirga kee asitti loluu hin dandeenye kabiyya jiru lolu jechuu hin dandeessu maaliif jennaan ati mirga keetu hin beektu lolchisiisuu hin beektu jechuudha kanaafuu namni mirga fi hin beekne nama lolaa jechuu hin danda'u kanaafuu dura mirga kee mirkaneessi dura bakka jirtutti mirga keeti loli yoo mirga keeti dhaabbatte bakka feetetti nama abbaa feetinillee dhaabbachuu jechuu dandeessan jechuudha kanaafuu duraan dursee warri Ameerikaa jirtan poolisiin si dhufteef mirga kee kannuun dirqama keeti miti mirga kee bakka dhufatti dhaabbachiisi mirga keetiif loli mirga keeti dhaabbatu namni waa si godhu takka illee hin jiru kanaafuu just because namni uniformii uffateef dirqama namni sun power sirra qabaachuu miti hanga crime hin godhin takkatti hanga waan balleessin takkotti ati biyya sun biyya kana keessatti akka feete deemuu dandeessa citizen biyya naa waan taate the minute gaafa ati immoo waa balleessite isaan kontiraatii si hojii qabanii diduu hin dandeessu akka fanan si godhuu danda'an jechuudha hanga sun hin godhin takka ati akka feete ta'uu dandeessaa jechuudha with the limit of a citizen rights siigaltee so barachuu qabdaa jechuudha siigaltee kanaafuu qeeroo achi mirga keeti loli jechuu mannaa dura mirga kee if sirreessa sitti if barsiisi mirga maal qabdaa akka isin hin jaasira tureetiin jira nageetti.